Unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs, are robotic vessels used to explore the ocean bed, and they can go deeper and longer than manned submarines would be able to. DARPA has launched a new UUV program called Hydra.
A 148-foot submarine has appeared at a Chinese shipyard, and it doesn't look like anything we've seen before. No sail, unusual X-shaped rudders, and a body design that defies convention. Experts say it could be the largest unmanned submersible on Earth, or perhaps an entirely new type of vessel. In this video, we'll unpack the design, explore its possible missions, and analyze why this strange discovery has caught global attention. Let's dive deep into what makes this mysterious craft so important. The first thing that grabs everyone's attention about this vessel is its unconventional shape. At 45 meters long, or about 148 feet, it's sizable, but its profile looks nothing like the nuclear or diesel-electric submarines the world is used to seeing. Instead of having a tall sail, the iconic tower that usually juts out above a submarine's hull, this vessel has no sail at all. The absence of such a structure is rare in large submarines and instantly raises questions about its purpose and design philosophy. Adding to the mystery are its X-form rudders located at the stern. Traditional submarines rely on cruciform rudders, where fins extend vertically and horizontally. By contrast, X-shaped rudders provide increased control, especially at lower speeds, and they allow for sharper maneuvering in confined or shallow waters. These features are technically advanced and often associated with experimental or high-performance designs. This suggests that engineers were not trying to copy existing platforms, but deliberately pursuing innovation. Satellite images, shared by Naval News and echoed by other defense outlets, confirmed that the vessel was spotted at Huludao Shipyard, a major facility in China known for producing advanced naval craft. Analysts pointed out that the new design is strikingly similar to an experimental sailless submarine launched in 2019. However, since that earlier model has already been documented, experts believe this newly photographed vessel represents a separate build rather than a refit or reappearance of the older submersible. The new submarine's dimensions and build features also fuel speculation. With a beam of about 5 meters, its slender body is optimized for efficient underwater travel. Without a sail, the hydrodynamic drag is reduced, making it quieter and potentially faster. For unmanned craft, this layout makes perfect sense. No need for a tower to accommodate periscopes, hatches, or crew space. Instead, the streamlined shape enhances stealth and endurance. But here's the critical takeaway. Whether it's an unmanned system or a crewed vessel, this design signals experimentation at the highest level. It's a departure from standard practice, hinting that China is willing to explore entirely new approaches to undersea technology. This unusual silhouette is more than cosmetic. It represents a bold rethink of how a submarine should look and operate, setting the stage for larger debates about its role. Once you get past its striking shape, the biggest question is, what is this submarine for? The leading theory is that it could be an extra-large, unmanned underwater vehicle, XLUUV. These platforms are designed to carry out missions too risky, monotonous, or long-duration for crewed submarines. If this vessel falls into that category, it would immediately rank as one of the most significant of its kind, being estimated at 6 to 8 times larger than the U.S. Navy's Orca XLUUV. That makes it the potential heavyweight of unmanned undersea vehicles globally. So what missions could it handle? One possibility is long-range surveillance. A large unmanned submarine can travel across oceans while carrying sophisticated sensors, quietly mapping undersea terrain or monitoring ship movements. Another possibility is seabed operations, laying networks of sensors, installing undersea equipment, or inspecting critical cables. Such tasks don't require a crew but benefit enormously from stealth and endurance. Another intriguing speculation comes from analysts who notice design elements that might hint at torpedo tubes or a towed sonar array. If true, that could mean the vessel can launch smaller vehicles or employ advanced listening devices to detect other submarines. While this does not confirm offensive intent, it does highlight flexibility in mission sets, from detection and monitoring to possibly carrying smaller drones or deploying countermeasures. But what if it's not unmanned? Some experts propose it could still be a crewed craft optimized for shallow waters. In this scenario, The sailless design reduces the risk of snagging or detection when moving close to coastlines or through narrow channels. Its compact size would also make it more suited for special missions that larger submarines cannot perform effectively. The real lesson here is that regardless of crew status, this vessel's design leans heavily toward adaptability. Instead of building just another conventional submarine, it seems designed to perform unique and flexible roles that challenge how we think about undersea activity. And that is what makes this discovery so compelling. It opens up multiple possibilities without clear answers, ensuring that any observer must prepare for a wide range of potential uses. This uncertainty is not just interesting, it's strategically powerful. The third piece of this puzzle isn't the submarine itself, but the global reaction it has triggered. Why is this relatively small vessel, compared to nuclear submarines hundreds of feet long, drawing such outsized attention? The answer lies in context and timing. Reports from naval news emphasize that this vessel appears at a moment when navies around the world are racing to incorporate unmanned systems into their fleets. For the United States, the Orca XLUUV has been years in the making, but production delays and high costs have slowed its progress. Against this backdrop, the sudden appearance of a much larger and seemingly ready platform in China raises questions about who is truly leading in this technological race. The uncertainty surrounding the vessel only adds to its significance. Analysts cannot agree whether it is crewed or uncrewed, whether it is a one-off experiment or the start of a new class. That ambiguity itself becomes an advantage. For global observers, it means preparing for both scenarios at once: the rise of massive drone submarines and the possible debut of a radical crewed design. Either way, it complicates planning and makes responses more difficult. Numbers matter too. According to U.S. congressional research, China already has the largest navy in terms of battle force ships, with projections suggesting totals could reach 395 to 435 by 2030. While size alone doesn't tell the full story, the combination of quantity and experimental designs like this makes the picture more complex. It signals not just growth, but diversification, expanding into categories that competitors are still developing. This is why global analysts are watching carefully. It's not that a single submarine changes the balance of power overnight. It's that it hints at a broader willingness to innovate and test. When you see something that breaks the mold, you know that the organization behind it is pushing boundaries, not just maintaining the status quo. This mysterious 148-foot vessel is more than just a new piece of hardware. Its radical sailless design, uncertain mission profile, and timing within a global race for undersea innovation make it a symbol of change. Whether it turns out to be the world's largest unmanned vehicle or a specialized new submarine, its message is clear: the future of undersea exploration and strategy is shifting fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive stories like this one.